Welcome to Lane Credit University. My name's Conrad Layn. Let's do credit cards for dummies. But you're no dummy because you're here at Lane Credit University learning about credit. Let's give you the simple FICO pie chart. 10% of credit is new credit. When you get new credit, 10% of that makes the algorithm which monitors and also distributes your credit score to the credit bureaus. The other 10% is mix of credit, having, say, auto loan, maybe a mortgage loan, maybe a credit card, personal loan, business loan, etc. All this actually attributes to your credit score is 10% of the algorithm. 15% is longevity, how long you've had the credit for, and 30% is the debt owed, the amount of debt you owe. But you want to make sure, as long as you, nothing wrong with having debt, but you want to make sure pay it on time, which is 35% of the credit system's algorithm for Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. So it doesn't matter if you have a personal loan that you're using maybe for your business or for your personal necessities, or if you have a credit card, as long as it's on your personal side, that's how you start building your credit. And that's the basics of what credit card is 101. So that's credit cards for dummies, but you're no dummy. You just learning the credit FICO score algorithm pie chart. Like, subscribe, share. Carl Layn out.